Okay. Before we jump into the homework or whatever, just kind of talk a little generally about what's in this second homework. So the first homework, we just talked about how do you collect data and kind of what ways you can group it together. I mean, there's better ways than others. The second one, the first half, it's about displaying data. We're not going to spend just a ton of time on that because I think you've read bar charts and pie charts and things like that before. Most of you have. Okay. The latter part is on mean, median, mode, which you all know, but it also covers standard deviation, variance, covariance, and things like that. So today we'll kind of just stick to the first half where we talk about displaying data, but then the next 2 days we'll talk about all that other stuff. So cool. All right. Well, really the only thing to talk about that isn't kind of self-explanatory. I do want to talk about, oh my word, I can't even think of what it's called. Oh, wow, my mind totally went blank. But basically, I mean, it's where you like find the frequencies of everything. So I can't think of what it's called at the moment, but you've got your data, you kind of divide into groups that are the same size. And basically you just kind of tally how many are in each one. So, well, since I can't think of the name, let's actually jump into the homework and we'll do one. And then I'll remember what it's called too. Oh, frequency distribution is the word I was trying to think of. Okay, the class width, class midpoints, and class boundaries, they're all kind of what they sound like. The class width is how far is it from one group to the next. So like here, one group starts at 65, the next one starts at 70, the next one starts at 75. So like each group starts 5 apart from the next one. So the class width is 5. Okay. Class midpoints, again, it's exactly what it sounds like. It's what is in the very center of the class. So if one starts at 65 and the next one starts at 70, oh, they're actually wanting me to use a 69.9, I think. Okay, we'll do that then. So if I average the 65 and the 69.9, that'd be 67.45. So, oh, come on. I guess I need to make that bigger. So that one's 67.45. What about the next one? From 70 to 74.9, what's in the middle? 72.45. And then 77.45. You can probably guess all the rest of them without actually finding them. What's next? Yeah. And then 87. And then 92. And then 97. And then 102. Feel really silly just stand up here typing, but done this one. 7. Oh, okay. Now it does go on one more. Okay, I was like running out of spots. 107, and then 112. So really, after you get the first one, just add the class width to every one of them. You get the rest of them. So, class boundaries. What it sounds like. It's the bottoms of each one. So might be the tops. I feel kind of silly just typing in stuff. Y'all talk too. I feel lonely. Talk to me, Annie. You're always good.
No, I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know.
Do you not get your coffee this morning?
No, no, out of bed. I'm in food.
Let's see. Let's see. Let's see if that's what they're looking for. I'm not sure. No. I hate when they have that many answers and you have to guess exactly what they're looking for. So let me give you an example. Okay. Yeah. We know how to do that. Midpoints. Boundaries are the numbers used to separate, but without the gaps. Okay, so it's okay. I see what they're doing. Okay, gotcha. So some people do the bottom of one, some people do the top of one, some people do the number in between the bottom of one and the top of the other one. They do in between the bottom of one and the top of the other one. So, I mean, it's not like it really matters just terribly. But, so this would be 64.95, 69.95, and then 74.95, 79.95, 4, whoops. Annie quit talking to me, and now I feel self-conscious again.
I understand.
You got nothing else? No. I'm going to put 4.5 instead of 9.5, didn't Yay, okay. So, that was silly, but all right, let's do one more, and then we'll call this good, because it's really easy, as y'all can tell. Okay, so what's the class width? 4. What are the class midpoints? Well, if it was from 4 to 8, the average would be 6. We're going to be slightly less than that, so that's 7.9, or sorry, 5.95. I'm still not typing it. And then once you get 1, you can just go up by the 4 every time. So 9.95, 13.95, 17.95. It might be 0.45. Is it 0.45? I think it is 0.95 because 4 plus 7.9 is 11.9, and then hey, I don't trust my middle math very much, so feel free to ask. All right. And then the class boundaries. So, well, halfway in between 7.9 and 8 is 7.95. So that's the second one, which means the first one should be 3.95. 3.95. And then 7.95. 11.95. 15.95. And 19. 195. No, no, 23. Oops. Cool. Okay, let's have that as a stopping point on the recording.